Hey there, Reet. My name is Jason Farron, and we are giving away this R34 Skyline sedan, brought to you by Keepin. So, we have tinted headlights here. They come with crow's feet, dust underneath. Headlights don't work much, and you can see the tape marks where it's been masked up to spray. Paint job, full respray from this part back because it was crashed in the front end, but not your usual respray. It comes with no preparation, so you get the full effect of dirt underneath, runs, and it's much brighter than the rest of the car. Wheels, got 14x8, full hot boy, small on the front, big on the rear. JRC coilovers, hella seized, but max load, and they knock. Steering, we've got aftermarket things in there, give you like 1/4 turn extra lock. That's what you want. She got the 5-speed, exceedingly heavy duty. Kick that clutch as much as you want. Handbrake, tight but loose. She works, that's all that matters. Now here we got the 15x8, mate. Look at that. Look at that dish. Everyone wants that dish these days. Can't even fit my fingers under there. Brand new, gin new tyres all around. Coming back this way. Custom exhaust. Straight through, one hot dog. Wait till you hear that limiter, mate. Genuine hot plate tail lights, so you can look like Paul Walker at all times. And to finish her off, Keepin stickers all around. Alright boys, that's me. Gotta get home, she's getting dark. Gotta drop past the supermarket, get me some dunny paper before they run out. I'm sick of using leaves. Welcome to the Kang Gang Factory. I've only just got it, so I haven't done anything to it, but So we've got the W140 VIP style Mercedes. I have to do individual videos on these, but it's got a 4.2 V8 under the hood, quad cam, definitely slow, but it snaps next, that's for sure. The Keepin Reet R34 4-door, probably seen this car before, and she's definitely beaten up, but she's going strong. She gets serviced every 5 events or so. She definitely takes a beating. And then we've just given away, or are giving away, this R34 Skyline, the 4-door that we've been working on. So yeah, she's waiting for the new owner to pick her up. Currently got my son in there playing around. Yeah, so plans for the factory. We have put in an application to paint the walls. This wall's already white, so it might go white all around. I've got a hoist coming to go pretty much where the 34 is. And they could probably fit a couple more. Might do a little office for the merch. Yeah, maybe change these lights, get a few more lights happening, nice workbench, put all the tools, start getting some better tools. Yeah, it should be good, look forward to it. Yeah, we'll have a few builds coming through here, do plenty of videos. I'll probably do a few videos on these cars, a few reviews and whatnot. But yeah, plenty of rad footage coming your way. Welcome. So obviously we're giving away this R34. It's a beautiful specimen of a car. She's all ready to go. All ready for some blades, so I'm hoping someone new to drift or someone that needs a drift car will be the winner today and start their drifting journey and hopefully drive some of our Reet events. Thanks to everyone for entering. This was originally going to be the drift school car. I'll grab my other lovely assistant. He's busy in the car.
He doesn't come with a car.
Come on, Marcus. You've got the droid. You going to pick a winner? Too busy driving. Let's go. Hen? Ready? Fine by yourself. Alright.
Close?
Push. Good work. So, printed up all the names, cut them all up. Shake them around here. We're good to go. And we'll let my lovely assistant,
Cash.
just so you know there's no, bias and stuff going on. Alright. You want to pick a name? Just one? Just one? That's two. Pass
Just
Daddy
choose one?
Give Daddy one. This one?
Good job.
Put that one back. Good boy. Alright. There's a name on here. Put this away for you. So, congratulations to... The name starts with A, last name and starts with a W. It is, congratulations, Ashley White.
Wow.
And I'll get Danny to get their number ready, but congratulations, Ashley White, for winning the R34. Alright, calling back the winner.
Hello.
Hey, is that Ashley? Or Ash?
Yeah, it is.
Hey mate, congratulations, you were the winner of the R34.
Wow, I'm very surprised. I was just in shock. I didn't believe I did.
How'd you find out? You didn't watch the live stream, I'm guessing?
No, I've been cleaning the house. I just seen the message like, no, this isn't right. I'll ring, Is it correct?
That's it. Oh, well, congratulations. Yeah, the car's yours. So she's here at our factory, ready to pick up. So congratulations to Ash on winning the R34. Just had a quick chat to him, and he said he doesn't have a drift car, and he's just helped mates before in the past, so that's the perfect person we want to have win this car. So now he has his own drift car that he bought for $30. yeah, get out there at our events and give it a thrash, do the drift school, or anything he wants, and have a good time. When he gets here to pick up the car, we'll go through some of the stuff with him. On our way, walking down to the factory to give the R34 away to its new owner. Alright, so I just got to the factory, and Ash, the lucky winner, has met us here and come to pick up his car. So we got to ask him a few questions about how he got into drifting, or how he knows about drifting, or how he heard about this car, and yes, a few details. So yeah, I guess tell us the story. I guess how you got into drifting and where you're at now.
I've been around drifting with a couple of mates. Jason with Drift 8. My nephew, he was doing drifting sliding 8, and I've just been hanging around, and I've been fixing Jason's car for years. And I heard that you had the competition. I just thought I'd enter it. I didn't expect to win, So yeah, it's just going to be a bonus,
That's it.
Getting on drifting. And
so you don't have a drift car of your own?
No, I've got one. I just haven't getting around to putting a carriage or do anything with it yet. It's just there. I just haven't had the time or that. But this would be a good start platform for me.
That's it. It's pretty much all. It's all ready to thrash, apart from a cage, but it's pretty much set up for a beginner. So have you done any sort of sliding at all?
No, not as yet. No, I want to get into it. No, I was hoping to try and start it this year, but yeah. Hopefully towards the end of the year I might be able to start getting into it with a bit more free time.
Once things clear up, hopefully we get some events going. We've got our drift school events.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't mind getting into that. No, I quite enjoy the Friday night drifting. With you guys out there, so yeah, you can probably see this a bit more out there. I'll get the cage, put into it, and go from there with it.
Spot on. It's ready for some boost as well if you ever wanted to slap a turbo on there or anything like that later on, once you get the hang of it. But
yeah, well, I'm a Holden guy through, so this is going to be a first import, so it's going to be a big learning lesson, but oh well.
So might even get a LS in it at some point.
Well, it's a good chance, yeah. There's a good chance I might get an LS in it.
Put a couple of those dints in.